Hi Jules, I'm Iniyal Rajkumar. My mom usually tells me if I do something wrong, see Iniyal, I'll throw you in the trash bin. So, for the past few days, I don't know what is a trash bin. All I know was a dustbin. See how silly I was. So, I hope now you have guessed what am I talking about and what am I going to teach you today. Hope all your guesses are right now. So, now the society had planned something very different. Seeing people and kids throwing their waste down, there are beautifully decorated trash bins that are like you could see in railway station there is a monkey trash bin, in parks there is a dinosaur trash bin, and in malls, mainly in fun zone you could see Doraemons and Chinchan standing as trash bin. So see the wonderful ideas of people. How is it working nowadays? So, what is a trash bin? For a tiny tot, that is a kid, it is a place to store their ugly toys. To a student, it is a place to hide their answer sheets from their parents. And to a teenager, it is a basketball case. Friends, start where you are. Use what you have and do what is there, and the materials required to make a trash bin are. So first we need a glue, and the second thing material we require is a A4 sheet, and the third one you can use a A4 chart or a origami sheet, and the fourth one is a cello tape, and the fifth one is a scissor, and the last one is a carton cardboard. Now let me show you a sample of a carton cardboard. So this is a carton cardboard. So now I hope let's start our session. So first take a pencil. So friends, this is how a carton cardboard looks like, and now what you have to do is you have to cut this joining point first. So I'm going to cut it first. So after cutting you'll get a flat thing like this. So now what you do is cut another point. So first you keep this cardboard aside and first take the sheet like this, and now measure 10 into 9 centimeter first, and then draw a line. So friends, this is a 10 into 9 centimeter cardboard. Have a 4 cardboard pieces like this. So friends, after having cut those pieces, now draw a line of like here 9 centimeters the width and 13 centimeters the height. So here I'm going to draw it. So after drawing 30 centimeters as the width, now what you have to do is now draw a 10 centimeter line cutting that vertically down. So make sure that it should be 10 centimeter from the ground distance. So after doing that, now take the center point of 10 centimeter. So it is 5 centimeter what I have to take now. So take 5 centimeter. So now that line would be of 9 centimeter, and now what you have to do is take a center point of 4.5 centimeter, and from that 4.5 centimeter draw a vertical line and mark a point like this. So it should be like this, friends. So after marking the point, from the right corner draw a line marking the center point, and do the same for the left corner. So after drawing this, cut them. So you can use a cutter or you can use a big scissor. See, now we will get something like this. So do the same, do another shape like the same thing. So friends, before moving to the next step, now let me show you a model of what we are going to make. So this is the model of the trash bin that we are going to make today. So now let's move on to the next step. Now take a A4 sheet or a A4 chart, or you can have an origami sheet as per your choice. So here I'm going to take two A4 charts. So now here are my two A4 charts, and now take all those parts and now trace them and then cut those pieces. So I'll show you a model. So now cut them, cut the thing which you have drawn now. So after you have cut them, now paste it at what you have pasted. So friends, after you pasted these two cardboards, now what you have to do is take the other two. So it should be like this, and now choose any other color choice of yours and now do that. You can also use the same color. The choices are according to yours. First have a cut of them. Now paste them using glue. So see friends, now I'm pasting it with glue now. So see, now do the same for the next one. So see, I have done it. Now do the same for the next one. So friends, after pasting the papers on all sides, what you have to do is you have to apply glue on one side of the sheet and paste it sideways like this. So hold it for at least 2 minutes. Hold it at least up to dry. If you find that it's not drying, what you have to do is take the tape, and now you can cut this into small piece and you can paste them like this. So you can do like this to paste them. So after doing this, take the other side and place them like this, and this should be like this on the other side. So you should get something like this friends. So now I have completed first step, and next. So friends, after you get a perfect shape like this for your house, now what you have to do is take the other sheet which you have and now fold them into half like this. So next take another origami or A4 chart of your choice and now cut them into this size. So friends, after you get something like this, now place it and see whether it is correct for your bin up. So yes, it's correct for me now. So we have to cut something extra here so that it will be correctly placed inside friends. see, this is correct for me now. So friends, after doing this, take a small bit of paper and rotate it gently into a small rolls like this. So make sure that this roll must fix these two tops and bottoms here. So the size must be equal to that. So now this will be enough now, and now I'm pasting glue on the sides. So after placing glues, I'm rotating another roll so it would be well stuck here. And now cut the extra sides here. Cut the extra papers. So see friends, what I'm going to do now. Now cut these two wings at sides. This is which seems that it is unequal. And now take a small roll and fix it like this. So it should be now fixed like this, and now I'm pasting it on the other side too, because we should make sure that it should not come down. So now this is perfect. So now see whether it fixed the frame. So I have to cut some. See here, this is the correct shape, and now it's fitting here. Yeah, it's fitting good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part and now take a small cardboard piece which you have. So see here friends, I have took a waste cardboard and now cut a small piece at the small end of it. So see, we have got a small end like this. Now keep that cardboard aside and now take the sheet. So what you have to do now is cut a bit aside. And now fold it like this. So it must be in a loop shape. So it must be like this. It must be like a loop shape like this. And now paste it like now paste it this side. So make sure that you should not paste this. You should paste these two. The two sides of your wings. So paste this with glue now. So friends, see here it should be like this. So leave this to dry aside. After drying, what you have to do is you have to apply gums on the two sides of these holes and make sure that it should paste like this. So hold it for some time that it firmly pastes. Friends, after doing everything you have completed, now decorate your trash bin like this, because so this attracts everyone. So after doing that, now take the other cardboard you have, paste origami sheet above that, or you can use an A4 chart. So after pasting it, place gum on the edges of you can use this, or else you can paste the edges here. So this will get more fixed than we stick in glue there. Glue at the center. Now fix it at the base like this. So press them perfectly. So after doing this, leave this to dry aside for some time. So friends, finally here is a trash bin. If you try this for some time, I'm sure that you get a perfect trash bin like this. Kids, I hope you have learnt a famous English rhyme saying, bits of paper lying in the floor, lying in the floor. Pick them up. Pick them up and just throw them in the trash bin. So finally here friends, here is our trash bin ready. So learn one thing from this from our trash bin today. Our life and our head is not like a trash bin. Don't let others throw negative garbages into your mind. If we clean our own surroundings today, I'm sure one day or the other the whole world will be clean. So if you reduce waste today, you can recycle it and reuse it tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe and share this in our channel anyhow. And thank you once again. This is Inya signing off. Bye.